What is up, guys? So I got a little bit of a different video for you today. My switch stand, I'm going to try to do this as best I can for you. My switch stand is having this issue right here where it just won't click. Like, no matter how hard I try to get it against there, it just doesn't click. So I ordered this kit from Amazon. It was like 11 bucks, came with the Y screws and this. So I'm just going to film myself doing it because some of you might be interested in it, just to show you how easy it is to replace this thing. So yeah, let me get into that.
So with your Y screw that came with the package that I purchased from Amazon, you're going to unscrew each of the 4 corners here. So it's a pretty simple process. Just make sure you keep them in a safe place. Next, on the sides, you're going to see a screw here in the middle. You need to take this screw. I will say, be very careful. I have found that these will strip pretty easily. If for any reason yours does get stripped, have a rubber band nearby. Use the rubber band on top of the screw and it actually may be able to help you get it out. Oh, you just need to get these 2 out. Next, you will have the screw on top here next to the fan. Sorry, I got that off camera here. Moving on to the bottom, you have these 2 screws on the bottom, right here and here. You're going to get each of those out and place them to the side. Next, you will have a screw right under the SD card. That is this screw right here. Make sure you remove the SD card before you take this out, obviously. It's not that hard of a screw. It is very thin, like it's not super hard. It's really hard to strip this one, but it's hard to get out in general. After that, you are good to take off the back plate. You don't need to touch the switch at all. All you're concerned about is this back plate right here. That is what you're looking for. There are 3 screws on that. First, I get this screw off, because I actually, with this set that I got from Amazon, I actually do not need that screw. So I go ahead and I get my stand ready to put in. But before I do that, I need to take these 2 screws off for the previous stand. I get that out, and then I insert the new one. Screw those 2 screws back in. And then we can start putting the back plate on. I'm just checking to see if it actually works. So, and then you pretty much do everything in reverse. You put the SD screw in. Make sure that that all the edges are snug. You need to make sure you do this correctly. Next, we move on to the top screw next to the fan. Then we put in the 2 bottom screws next to the charging port. And lastly, we move on to the 2 middle screws on the sides. The last thing we have is the 4 screws in each corner. Very simple. I put the Joy-Cons in to test it, and as you can see, that is it. That is all you need. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. It's a little bit of a different video, but yeah, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.